Do you want to learn how to do it and not be like him? Yeah, let's do this. We're not going to code a robot, a security system, or a rocket, but code a beginner-friendly RGB LED that literally changes its own colors. It's a type of LED that looks like this. So as you can see, this LED, which means light emitting diode, has 4 pins. In most cases, the longest one is the ground pin, the second longest being the red, third longest being the green value, and finally the shortest one being the blue. So for putting the RGB LED into the breadboard, you can follow this. This is the ground, this is red, this is green, and this is the blue. And then after placing the LED, I'm going to put in the 330 ohm resistor on all the color values except the ground pin. If you do not place the resistor, it might eventually do boom. Finally, we're going to put in the jumper wires like this. First pin goes to digital pin 9, second goes to the ground pin, third goes to digital pin 10, and the last one goes to 11. Now let's get coding. Okay, so here we have the global integers, which are these three: the red pin, the green pin, and the blue pin. These are the ones that's constrained to 9, 10, and 11. Now on the void setup, we're basically telling Arduino place where to give 5 volts out from. So we're saying pin mode, which is red pin, the integer, to give an output of 5 volts, and same for the green pin and same for the blue pin. Okay, so before we move on to the void loop, we're going to go to the void set color int red, int green, and int blue. Here we're making another integer, which is a global value, which is the name red, green, and blue. Now over here we're going to write analog write red pin comma red, and also analog write green pin comma green, and analog write blue pin comma blue. Now we come to the void loop and we basically type set color, the one that we chose from here, and then we do set color 20, 0, 0. The first is the red value, the second is the green value, and the third is the blue value, hence RGB. So after doing that, we basically set this, and we're basically giving a delay of 800 milliseconds, and after doing that, we repeat this process as many times as you like, and we have the entire code. And now you know how to code the RGB light. But if you want to learn how to start robotics the right way, then you can start by clicking right over here.